Welcome to Auto Vehicle. Today, we're exploring one of the most advanced aircraft in aviation history, the B-2 Spirit stealth bomber. This incredible machine is a symbol of precision engineering, stealth technology, and military dominance. Design and stealth technology. The B-2 Spirit is built with a sleek, flying wing design that allows it to glide through the skies virtually undetected. Its unique shape, combined with radar-absorbent materials, makes it nearly invisible to enemy radar. This design gives the B-2 an edge in executing long-range missions deep within contested airspace. Power and capabilities. Powered by 4 General Electric F118G100 turbofan engines, the B-2 Spirit can carry a massive payload of both conventional and nuclear weapons. Its range allows it to travel across continents, making it a vital part of the United States Global Strike Force. Technology and avionics. Inside, the B-2 boasts state-of-the-art avionics and navigation systems, ensuring precision in every mission. Its advanced communication and targeting technology enable it to operate with remarkable efficiency, making it one of the most sophisticated bombers in service. Price and cost. The B-2 Spirit is one of the most expensive aircraft ever built. Its estimated cost is roughly $2.1 billion per unit, making it a highly significant investment for the United States Air Force. Legacy and importance. Since entering service in 1997, the B-2 Spirit has become an icon of air power. Its role in both deterrence and precision strikes has shaped modern aerial warfare, making it an indispensable component of the United States Air Force. Conclusion. The B-2 Spirit stealth bomber is more than just an aircraft, it's a symbol of ingenuity and a testament to advances in military aviation. Stay tuned to Auto Vehicle for more in-depth stories about the world's most fascinating machines.